Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to update software version for your earbuds VIVO TWS 3E. You have to start by open VIVO Earphones application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap on them. Now scroll down. And right here we have earphones firmware upgrade. Firmware is the same as software, so click at this line and then click download and install. Now don't use your earbuds until the update is finished. Now I'm going to speed up it for you and then I will show you how to look successful update. And then click done, and we did it. Now we have information that we use the latest version. We can also again click at this line and have the same. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.